Hi, good evening everyone. I am Savita Kumar and this is Aishwarya Nevi, and today we will be conducting Walk the Talk, and the topic that Aishwarya has gotten is automation going to kill, or is automation taking away jobs? So Aishwarya, what do you have? What is automation? First we'd like to know that. What's your point of view?
So automation is basically when we are taking away the redundant services, we are replacing it with services through softwares and through AI, through IoT basically. That is the role of cutting down the redundant activities, and we are replacing it by technology. So firstly, that would be automation.
Okay, so do you think that it is taking away jobs?
So basically, automation in the context of present day, it will definitely create new jobs. It will take away the jobs of existing skill sets. The thing is, it will replace the skill sets. And when we talk about automation in different sectors of the economy, let's say how it will impact agriculture, how it will impact manufacturing, and how it will impact other sectors of the economy. So that is more important. And the primary role here would be the level of skills. So that's.
Okay, so what do you think is the added advantage?
The added advantage would be that we require specific, the desired set of skills that would be needed for automation to take over, let's say, be it in the form of Industry 4.0. So that would require massive level of skills, upskilling people, the labor force, as India is a major labor force, labor intensive economy. So we have an advantage here. And primarily that can be done if we can reskill, upskill the labor force. So that is my opinion on that.
And let's talk about the disadvantages. Everything comes with a disadvantage. So, what do you think is the major disadvantage here?
So as associated with every technology, each technology has its pros and cons. So in this case, automation will definitely take away the jobs. Will take away jobs. So for that, the government will have to take up policy interventions to upskill the labor force for that matter. So that. But precisely, this is more on the issue of creative destruction. I would say that is in the terms of Schumpeter. He has repeatedly talked about this term of creative destruction, that automation will create new jobs. It will also have to be upskilled for the existing labor force. Will have to upskill them. So that is my say.
So, one last thing I'd like to ask is automation making people lazy? Do you think that is happening?
Automation will not exactly make people lazy, but it will ease out our activities. Like, it will help us in productivity will be increased, efficiency will increase, and not exactly make them lazy, but make them more productive. And that's how I would like to say.
So you're saying that technology would boost
Productivity.
it would enhance productivity in people rather than making them lazy and taking away jobs.
Yes.
All right. So okay,
So there's also this. There's one statistics that I like to quote. The World Economic Forum has recently come up with this report on automation. It says that nearly 85 million jobs would be replaced, and basically 95 million jobs would be created through automation. So just like we said, that every technology has its pros and cons. So same is the case with automation. So it will definitely create some jobs, but yes, there will be entire set of labor force which will we have to upskill through government interventions, through private sector interventions. So we need to incorporate these new strategies for it.
all right. That was really nice. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Aishwarya.
much.